Android 17 didn't have the smoothest start as early updaters reported Wi-Fi and 5G issues, and now another bug is affecting the touchscreen. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Many Reddit users who updated to Android 17 are facing touchscreen issues, including the screen scrolling in the opposite direction to the one they swiped, completely ignoring taps, and dead zones where the screen is unresponsive. The good news is that Google is aware of the bug, as the official Google account actually replied to one of the Reddit threads suggesting a couple of possible fixes. These included clearing the cache by going to Settings, then Apps, then See All Apps, then Pixel Launcher app, then Storage and Cache, and from there, Clear Cache. If that doesn't work, the other suggestion was to boot your phone into safe mode and see if that fixes the problem. To do this, press and hold the power button for a few seconds and then tap and hold either the power off or restart option. And if your phone is off, press the power button, then when the animation starts, press and hold the volume down button until the animation ends. In either case, your phone will say safe mode at the bottom of the screen. And if this does fix the problem, then the issue is a third-party app, so you should temporarily remove these one by one, starting with the most recent ones until you find the culprit. But these haven't worked for many people despite being official Google advices. What does seem to have worked more widely is a suggestion to turn off the triple tap magnification shortcut. To do this, head to Accessibility and Settings, then Magnification, then either turn off magnification shortcut or tap on it and change the magnification option to something other than triple tap screen. However, it's still unclear whether this will work for everyone or not. So if none of the above resolves a problem for you, then you'll probably have to wait for Google to roll out a proper fix and hope that doesn't take long. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates.